Njengoba kuqokwa imeya yomkhandlu i-Tshwane namhlanje, okhulumela umkhandludolobha i-Tshwane uSelby Mokaba ukhulume ngezinhlelo zabo mayelana nesenzo sikaDokotela uMakwarela.
It appears that Dr. Makwarela was ineligible to become a member of the Tshwane Metropolitan Municipal Council, meaning a councillor, and as such, he should not have served as the Speaker of Council and also as the Executive Mayor. So the Hawks are looking into possible commission of fraud into that.
Umokaba uphinde waphawula mayelana nokubhikisha kwe-ANC eTshwane.
I think the two events are manageable. Council is going to get underway. It should have started at 10, but one of the parties requested an adjournment. And yes, there will be a match, and there will be an official from the city who's going to meet the protesters to receive a memorandum.